A Ram 1500, year is 2026. Installing a port for the coax wire to drop down through. This fitting right here is this 3/4 inch schedule 40. It's a male adapter. I call them C to T. That's a plumbing fixture. The electrical one is the same size. It would be better to have it because it's gray in color, and it would just be more appropriate. I made the hole with a step drill bit. I made a little tiny pinhole with an 1/8 inch drill bit right in the center, and then I used this one to its full capacity. Then I went to this one enough to get the job done. Underneath here was a plastic plug, and that's what I drilled out with the step drill bit. And as you can see, that 3/4 inch works just perfectly. To start, I used the 1/8 inch drill bit, crawled underneath the truck, and found the center of that plug and drilled a hole up through, and that located where this was going to be. Then I just went back underneath the truck and used that one step drill bit, and then that one. Then came up here with a knife and trimmed away all the carpet neatly. And then used this little electrical reducing bushing, probably what they call it. It's like a thin washer. The size is 1 inch by 3/4 inches, which sounds, it looks huge for that dimension, but that's what it is. And then this is the electrical nut from what they would use in an electrical box. And this is the wrench that you tighten it up with, like that. So, Bob's your uncle.